I love making stuff. Being a maker is part of my identity and it fills my soul. This is the story of how being a maker has improved my life. For my whole life, I've been a maker. For me, life is better when you make stuff because you get to know how much work it actually takes to create something. Whether that's a video or something that you've made with your own hands. Many people don't understand how much work goes into the editing or the making of a project. Until you see it or do it for yourself, it's hard to fully appreciate all the work and time which went into making something. The first thing I can remember making was a little cardboard robot that I named Firework Earlobe. Yes, I know. Strange name.
Well, this is the robot I made. I started a long time ago, but...
What is that?
Well, it's a light that is powered by solar panel.
However, I didn't get very serious about making things until I was 12, when I built my workbench and when I started my YouTube channel. Making something myself fulfills my desire to understand how things work. I've also discovered that being a maker teaches you to learn from your failures. Without failure, there are less opportunities for improvement. High school has kept me very busy, so during the week I have almost no time for being in the shop or making videos. This is really hard for me because being a creator is what makes me happy. However, when the weekend comes, I'm able to dive into the next project which has been on my mind. Whenever I'm in a bad mood or just having a hard day, I go and immerse myself in a project and end up feeling way better. Being a maker has allowed me to make friends from places I've never been. When I started my YouTube channel, I found a whole community of makers and even some people my age. One of my main goals is to inspire people my age to use their hands to create stuff. I encourage you to go make something even if it scares you or if you think you can't do it. You never know how it might change your life. My name is Miles and this is why I'm a maker.